So it says access array data within indexes. We can access the data inside arrays using indexes. Yeah, so array indexes are written in the same bracket notation that strings use, except that instead of specifying a 0 character, they're specifying an entry in the array. Like strings, arrays use zero-based indexing. So the first element in the array has an index of 0. So then it gives you an example. 50, 60, 70, and then the first one, 0 index would be 50. Var data array 1, so it should give you 60. Okay, so it says note there shouldn't be any spaces between the array name and the square brackets, like array space your index notation. Although JavaScript is able to process this correctly, this may confuse other programmers reading your code. Okay, so it's the way you write it. Okay, so create a variable called myData and set it equal to the first value of my array using bracket notation. So it's below this line. So let's make an array called myData. Let's equal it to the first value. So the first value is 0. So 50. The first value will be 50. Let's close this out. Let's check it.